Bonjour tout le monde et bienvenue. Today we're going to learn something really exciting and that will help you make an impression that you are so much French. Today we're going to learn some useful phrases in French language that you can use in your daily life. So without wasting any further time, let's dive into the video. The first phrase that we're going to learn today is tu sais, which means you know. Tu sais. If you want to express your anger and you want to say, I've had it up till here, how would you say that? You would say, j'en ai marre. J'en ai marre, which means I've had it up to here in French. If you've seen something and you cannot believe your eyes and you want to say, oh my God, I cannot believe my eyes, how would you say that? But in French, you would say, je ne crois pas mes yeux. Je ne crois pas mes yeux. That means I cannot believe my eyes. If you want to ask somebody, what is that? How would you ask them? But in French, you would say, c'est quoi ça? C'est quoi ça? That means, what is that in French? If you've been doing something for quite a long time and you've achieved it and you're like, oh yes, finally. How would you say that? But in French, you would say, ouais, enfin. That means, yeah, finally. If you want to say cheers in a gathering, but in French, you would say santé. Santé. And if you want to raise a toast and you say to everyone, how would you say that? You'd say à tout le monde. À tout le monde. If you want to tell someone that you have to get used to this, how would you tell them? But in French, you would say il faut habituer à ça. Il faut habituer à ça. Il faut habituer à ça. If you want to say, in short, I did not want to go, how would you say that? But in French, you would say, en bref, je voulais pas aller. That means, in short, I did not want to go. En bref, je voulais pas aller. If you want to express your love to someone, but in French, how would you say that? You would say, je t'aime vraiment beaucoup. Je t'aime vraiment beaucoup. That means, I really, really love you. Félicitations! We are through with some of the everyday phrases in French. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like the video, drop a comment in the comment section below, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you are updated with every new video that comes in. You can also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is Friendship with Sin. And I will see you in the next video. Au revoir!